So me and my team spent the last couple of years since AI is out, helping global companies overhaul their procurement, tech, and the teams that win ignore 90% of the AI hype. They focus on what actually works. In the next few minutes, I'm giving you a non-fluff breakdown of the 3 most specific AI tools that deliver measurable results. These tools we're using as well in our consulting company implementing AI into procurement departments. So you'll learn the exact problem each one solves, how tech works in simple terms, and the concrete steps to pilot them in your own organization. If you don't know who I am, my name is Noah Miguel, and we implement AI into procurement departments successfully today. Since a couple of years, we are one of the biggest AI in procurement and supply chain YouTube channel, specifically focusing on implementing AI into procurement and supply chain. We are covering a new category of tools, AI agents that can automate complex and multi-step work. So let's get into it.
If you want to streamline your procurement workflows and cut costs using AI, download our free 5-step AI implementation playbook today. You'll learn exactly how to automate your most manual tasks. Grab your copy now. First link in the description.
First up, the tool everyone knows, but with a powerful new update and new ability. ChatGPT's new agent mode goes beyond just providing answers. It actually does the work for you. Think of it as a controlled co-pilot that can research across the web and your internal files, fill out forms, edit spreadsheets, and chain multiple steps together to complete a task. Crucially, it always asks for permission before taking consequential actions, creating a clear auditable trail of its work. In procurement, this means it can auto-draft initial supplier emails for RFQ, check your internal policy pages to ensure compliance, or update intake spreadsheets from a request, all on command. For your pilot plan, start by combining it with your existing intake or automation tools. Task the agent with a simple high-frequency job like taking a new request, checking it against your procurement policy, and packing the findings into a report for a category manager. This demonstrates immediate value without disrupting core workflows. Next, for teams that want more control and customization, is the tool N8N4. This platform lets you build practical, powerful AI agents with memory across all different tools because it has API connections for various tools, such as also your ERP system, and it has custom triggers. It is open core and can be self-hosted, giving you full control over your data and security. With its new dedicated AI agent nodes, you can easily sign up for an RFQ helper. For example, you can build an agent that reads a new project spec from email automatically, ask clarifying questions back in Slack if information is missing, fetch potential suppliers' data from your internal database or web, and then post a perfectly formatted draft RFQ back in a channel for your review. It even logs its own token usage and decision-making process for a complete audit trail. And here's how you start. Pilot one agent on a simple, low-risk category. Build a simple workflow to automate a repetitive task like vetting new supplier requests or tracking order confirmations to prove the concept and measure the time saved. Finally, our third tool is Make, which has evolved from a visual workflow builder into a platform for creating AI agents using natural language. For instance, a new vendor request could trigger an agent to perform initial intake, run vendor details against your internal policy checklist, and then updates the PO system for final approval. The latest 2025 waves releases have doubled down on creating reasonable components, enhancing security, and expanding AI features allow operation teams to build and scale their automations safely and reliably. To get started, map out a clear, high-volume process like new vendor intake and approval. Use Make to build an agent that handles that first 2 steps of the process, providing its reliability and security before scaling it across the entire workflow. So there you have it, 3 practical AI agent tools you can pilot this quarter for immediate impact. We covered the ChatGPT agent for Copilot task. We covered as well N8N for building custom self-hosted agents and Make for scaling secure automations with natural language. The real power of AI in procurement today isn't about replacing people. It's about automating the multi-step, repetitive work and analyzing data at a scale humans can't, freeing up your team to be more strategic. If you need help in this process to implement AI successfully into your procurement, or you want to see any demo with your existing systems, such as with your ERP systems or your email provider or whatsoever different tools you're using currently, and you want to see in demo how AI can be plugged into your existing system, then you're invited to book a call into our team's calendar, which you will find down below. You can also find the PDF mentioned in the beginning, where you can see all the resources and step-by-step guides how you can as well implement AI into procurement with vast amounts of use cases. You will find the download link for this free resource, for the free PDF as well, down below in the description. See you in the next video.